In section 3.5, we're going to talk about relations and functions. So a relation is a set of ordered pairs. And that's all the definition is, a set of ordered pairs. We write ordered pairs, parenthesis, first component, and then second component. Sometimes we write a comma, second component. Sometimes we put it in terms of X and Y, but it doesn't have to be. Those are just variables that we use because of the Cartesian coordinate system. They don't even have to be numbers. They, the components. So they could be words or other expressions. But this is the first one. It's called the abscissa, and this is the second one. It's called the ordinate. And you don't need to know those words, but I'll put them up. First one's the abscissa, and the other one is the ordinate. You can say first component, second component, or, if you say X comma Y, then people will know what you're talking about. The domain of a relation is all the abscissas, all the first components. And the range is all the second components for the ordinates. Okay, so we have a list of ordered pairs in this first example, and so it's a relation because it's a set of ordered pairs. You see the set notation here, so sometimes they are listed that way in set notation, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ordered pairs there. Okay, so it's a finite set. Here's an ordered pair, 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 and here's an ordered pair. My lines aren't drawn all the way, but okay, so that's the relation, and it says find the domain of the relation. So we get a lot of questions like this where they ask for the domain and the range. I usually just put a capital D for domain, but you can write it out. And then it's going to be, in this case, it's going to be a set because I only have 5 first components, right? Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are the first components. So that's the domain. So I'm going to put it in set notation, squiggly brackets, if you want to call them that. They're braces, but it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, squiggly bracket. That's how you would write it. It's a set, and those are the first components. That's all of them. Okay. So we don't repeat them. So like if 4 had been in 2 ordered pairs as the first component, you'd only put the 4 once, okay? But the choices for the first components are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in our set. Okay, so now for B, we want to find the range. I just usually put a capital R, but you can write out range. And we're going to do it as a set again. We're going to look at the second components. And so let's see what we have. We have a 1, we have an 8, we have a 27, we have a 64, and we have a 125. And those would be then the elements in the range, okay? And there's just 5 of them. All right, well, that's about as much as we get for that. We'll go on in the next video.